How to build a customer satisfaction survey using SurveySparrow. Welcome to SurveySparrow. Let's see how to create a customer satisfaction survey. Go to Templates, search for Customer Satisfaction Survey, and select the one you want. Go through the preview and choose the template. Edit survey title. Select the survey type and choose the folder. Click on Create Survey. Then, the template will open in the builder. Customize the welcome screen by adding a tagline or an enticing text requesting the respondents to fill out the form. Upload your logo. Modify the questions based on your needs. Delete the unnecessary questions. Add a thank you page. Your customer satisfaction survey is ready. Now you can share the link, embed it on your website, or even share a QR code. This is how simple it is to use SurveySparrow.